Hi guys, it's Mary again, and I wanted to give you a little bit more information about, well, Mary's cooking school. But remember a couple videos ago I was showing you how I do chicken. You salt it and you leave it in the fridge overnight on a plate, and then next day when you cook it, it's just succulent and fabulous. But this is how you cook it, okay? And again, this is different, but you're gonna love it. I put the chicken, I'm just gonna do this right now, okay? Let's see if you can see. There we go. Okay, so I put the chicken cold in a cold pan, okay? Actually, the chicken was out for a few minutes just to get it a little more room temp. You don't want it to shock the protein if it's too cold, okay? But, so room temp chicken in here, and then you turn it on to medium. What this does is slowly bring the chicken up to temp, and it gets rid of all of the extra fat. So what you're left with is this beautiful, beautiful, look you guys, look. Look at that. Yeah? Yes. So you just turn them all over. Oops, they're stuck together. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! A lot of good chicken fat here. Schmaltz, we like to have it. There you go. Okay, there. So we just put this right in your 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Woohoo! And you're done. But what this does is it gives you a really succulent, moist chicken and a beautifully crispy skin. No muss, no fuss. I mean, I use this thing, you know, to keep the grease down. But yeah, salt it overnight, then put it in a cold pan, turn on the heat to medium, and let the magic happen. This is one of the recipes we use in our 5 ingredients or less class, and that's at maryjwhite.com. I would love to see you. I mean, you don't have to come over. I'm online, but I want to help you guys save money and be smart. So, maryjwhite.com, J, the initial. Okay, I'm gonna eat chicken now. Well, when it's done. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.